absolute obsession with advent calendars. Literally used to watch all the YouTubers open these back in the day. Benefit Cosmetics sent me a freaking advent calendar. It's like a freaking freaking Rubik's Cube. Don't even know how to open this. I'm so excited. I'm too nosy, so we're gonna open the whole thing together. Oh, whoa. I guess this is day one. Come on. Don't be shy. Mini of the FanFest mascara. This is in my like literally top 5 mascaras ever. Where is day 2? What? Excited. Oh, professional makeup removing. Ow. Cleansing oil. Day 3, I see her. Come on out. So excited. I'm so excited. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. Then you know, you know. Day 4. Let's take a guess. I think this one is gonna be, why was I gonna say matches? Eyeshadow. Cute. Blush. Day 5 is a big boy. It's cuffing season. Give me a big boy. Brow wax. Day 6 is big too. Oh, professional. And it's like a little mini guy. ASMR. I think day 7 is the biggest. Lucky number. Any guesses? It's really, wait, I don't think there's anything in here. Sheet mask. Oh, eye mask. Day 8. Oh, ooh, moisturizer. I didn't even know that they had a moisturizer. Day 9 is pink. Oh, dewy little primer. Number 10. Gimme brow. This like fills in your brows and it's a brow wax. These minis are like so cute. I want to eat them. 11. Setting spray. La, 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 la. Oh, full size brow gel. 13. Let's take a guess. I think it's gonna be like a big mascara. Small mascara. Oh my gosh, I've not used roller lash in so long. When I was like 14, we convinced my mom to go to Sephora and buy me and my friend a roller lash. Little blush. That color. Okay, this one's 15. Clay mask. 16's kind of giant. Low-key wanted to be like eyeshadow. Ooh, reusable cotton pads. 17. They're real mascara. That's such a pretty baby pink. 18 is huge. If you know, you know. 20, we finished the bottom. Foam cleanser. This one's so cute. Another mascara. Oh, give a Hoola bronzer. Last day. This one's big. It's like the big reveal. 24. What? Wait, this is actually so cute. I can put it on my bun. Of course I'm wearing a bun right now. That is our full Benefit advent calendar. Love you, Pookies. Mwah.